Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. I look raggedy. So I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. I don't know where my remote is. Okay, so I look super raggedy, and don't mind my background because this is an impromptu video and I'm trying to make it do what it do, baby. Okay, so I am jumping in here really quick to show you guys number 2. Sorry if my background is loud. I got my window open and I'm using sunlight, so that's what you guys are hearing. A plane is coming and I can't do anything about that, but I have a little bit of time to try to get a video done for you guys. So it's really impromptu. So my hair is Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. My hair is 5 days old. I'm actually going to rewash my hair on Friday. So every Friday I wash my hair. The 2 products that I have in my hair right now are these 2 products, y'all. She's doing different things right now in this video. So I haven't told y'all what I'm gonna do in my hair. I want to try to do a high puff, and I'm like, ooh. So y'all, I haven't used Eco Styler gel in like literally maybe 4 years, maybe kissing 5 years. I have not used Eco Styler gel in 5 years. Why? Because I've been making my own gel. Why? Because I don't necessarily like my hair hard and crunchy. Why? Because there is a lot of ingredients that I don't care for in a lot of gels. Why did I choose this one and not more of a natural gel? Because it was cheaper, it was convenient, and I was at Walmart and I don't necessarily go to Sally's. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying other gels, but I have this Eco Styler gel that ain't never been open, baby. Wow. So the formula has changed, or they changed the smell or something, because I don't remember it smelling like, I don't know, I don't remember smelling like that. But then who knows, because I had COVID. So some things that I know while I'm talking to y'all, some things that I know that just smells differently, it's literally it's different, you know. So I am not here, I don't know, it doesn't smell too bad, but it just smells different. So like I said before, y'all, follow me, okay? We're like talking like girlfriends because I'm all over the map. So I have put and tried this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Away leave-in detangler. Love this, y'all. I might have to do a whole video because this is one use. Like, do you see how much is in this bottle? That's one use. This is an 8-ounce bottle. And then this one I'm shocked that I didn't use more of, but I probably should have used less of it because my hair do feel a little sticky. And this is the Camilla Rose Honey Hydrating Step 1 leave-in conditioner, and my hair is hydrated. I need a dang scrunchie. So once again, y'all, I'm supposed to be going out of town, so I got this scrunchie because I only think I want to wrap it around just once to try to hold my hair and kind of let it grow as it wants to grow. My hair is still kind of wet right here at the base, just to let y'all know. But I want to actually try this because like my hair is starting to have just a lot of flyaways, and I'm not here for the flyaways. And because I haven't put gel in my hair in a long time, and it is not a style that I will typically do, I just want to try something different. Today is actually May 4th. I think it's May 4th. So I'm trying to have my hair look a little different for like Mother's Day and stuff. And then we have a event to go to on Friday, which is like this dinosaur exhibit thing. And not that I need to look smashy pansy for either one of those days, it's just the fact that I'm leaving town again and I want my hair to look a particular way. Maybe, you know, try a different style in my hair. And then I'm also just trying to kind of find myself and try to get back to normal a little bit. Whatever normal is after you have a baby, who knows? Who knows what normal is after you have a kid? Because ain't nothing normal. And I feel like, oh my goodness, I was blurry. So I'm going to rub this in my hair. This might be a really quick video. I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections. And I don't know how much gel I want to put in my hair. Because it's like, I feel like I'm supposed to be acting brand new with this. Like I've never used gel before. And then I don't know if the gel is necessarily going to be nice with these 2 leave-in conditioners that I have. I'm not going to try to apply the gel like I'm doing a wash and go. I'm just going to apply the gel so that the ends of my hair will stay curly up in the bun. So even though I'm not going to be like sectioning it out, that's how much I kind of start with. And I like to just dibbity dab it around like this. And then kind of work it all the way down, perhaps, you know. And then I'm gonna smush it together. And then this is the first time that I'm using a hair gel since I've lost like a good chunk of my hair from COVID. So I really don't know. See, like the ends of my hair needs some more gel. But I really don't know what my hair is gonna look like in a bun. Like, I'm not gonna try to do a smooth bun. I'm gonna do a loose, messy bun. Because my goal now is to try to get the nape of my head to grow longer so I can reach that booty crack length hair. Like, it's the nape of the head that is keeping your sis in a struggle buzz. Because, like I said before, if the top of my hair, if the nape of my hair was at 21 inches long, like, we will be there. We will be past there. Oh no, this don't feel good. I mean, it feels good. My hair feels soft and hydrated, but I don't know. I just don't. I don't know. I am going to take my pattern brush that I got from my sister-in-law, and I'm only going to do the ends of my hair. But my hair is super soft and super detangled, and I might put some more gel like I just did. It's not a might, she is. I don't know. Y'all, this is why I don't ever put gel in my hair, because it just feels like I'm not doing it right. I'm probably not doing it right, because everybody's videos that I see that literally push gel in their hair, they like take little sections at a time, and then they like finger coil, and like they put so much gel at their roots. And I don't think I don't want to say I don't have the time for that, because I didn't necessarily have the time for that crap before I had a kid. So what is it? Am I just not wanting to be about that life? But I mean, that's what my hair looks like. I don't know. It just don't feel like it's gonna give me what I want it to give me. Yeah, this is why I can't have my window open. Cause I sound like she be creeping. It ain't giving me what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Holy crap. Okay, so we're just gonna continue, and then I'm gonna try to put it up in a bun, and then we're gonna just see what it's doing after I actually get it up in a bun and I get the gel on there. Like maybe the hold, like, because you know I don't put gel in my hair, so maybe it's not gonna do what I'm thinking that it should be doing. But then at the same time, I don't know. Okay, like I really don't know what I'm looking for. And then I don't know, like I said, if this gel matches with this leave-in. So I'm gonna just stop talking, fast forward through this next section, and then I'll come back to y'all. Okay guys, I thought I was gonna come back in and explain or talk to you guys some more, but I decided to do another video while I was recording this video, so I'm gonna just do a voiceover for you guys. But my hair didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. I wanted to do a high puff, but my hair is too long. And even though it's like 45% of the density of my hair has went bye-bye, it's still heavy. And especially with the Eco Styler gel in my hair, like my hair was too heavy to do a high puff. So I just did a low ponytail, I guess you can say, because I don't know. I don't think it was a puff. It was just a low ponytail. And because my hair and my scalp feel so different, I didn't want to try to put all that hair on the top of my head and have like a tangled mess when I go to wash my hair. So you guys, I didn't even fool with it with trying to get it up that high. But the products really meshed well together. I didn't have white flakes or anything on my hair. What you guys are seeing me do is kind of do a little I'm combing my ponytail, and then I did a little bit of finger, like little, I don't know what you call it, where you just separate the hair a little bit with your fingers. Shingling, that's what it is, the shingling method. So I did a little bit of the shingling method, and then I did the plopping method. Took the plastic bag off my hair about 3 hours later, and then this is the next morning, you guys. Yes, my shirt is inside out, but I be trying to get these videos in for you guys. I don't have time to be faking and playing games and like, you know, trying to do the mostest to the hostess. I just wanted to show y'all the end result. And I mean, it was very moisturized. Like I said, the products meshed really well together. Even though I do have to make a product review or an update on these products, I'm going to have to just talk about that completely separately in a whole nother video. But I really enjoyed the products, and they made my hair look really good. The inside of my ponytail is still wet, yes, but it did give me good popping curls, and it was very soft. And this look actually lasted for 3 days. It probably could have lasted longer, but I needed to wash my hair. It was wash day. So I am so happy that I got this end result. And for you guys, please leave comments down below and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. This was just a refresher, just a reminder. Bye, guys.